We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam. I'm working with an HP LaserJet Pro M127fn. So first things first, right here on the side you see this little tab part. This is going to be your max level indicator. You never want to overfill that. It'll cause it to be too tight and the rollers cannot pick up the paper. This will be your adjustment. You want to make sure that this is at the right spot for your paper. Just like the max level indicator, if it's not the right spot, it could be too loose or too tight. The rollers will not be able to pick up the paper. When you already have paper in here and you need to add more paper, you don't want to just go in and just stick it in there, because what it could do is if you stick the paper on top of your old paper, it could cause a curl that you can't see, and that would make it unable to pick up the paper, and it could cause a paper jam. So what you want to do is you want to take your old paper with your new paper, combine it, go ahead and fan it out. Sometimes the humidity can cause the paper to stick together. Realign it and then stick it in. And you also want to make sure it's in the correct spot. This one has little indicators in here. So you want to make sure that it's not above that. So that should be good. If you're in need of any supplies or quote, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.